Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out some watch bands from a company called Bandletic. The seller did send me these two to check out. These bands are for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 40mm and 44mm, and the 8 Classic at 46mm. So let's go ahead and check these out. Let's go with this one first. This one right here is the Bandletic Silicone Magnet band, and you could see really good packaging on these watch bands. Alright, so the Watch 8 Classic has upgraded magnet strength, features N54 magnets, which is 50 to 60% stronger than the previous N52 magnets, ensuring a secure fit during intense sports and outdoor activities. There you go. Crafted from high quality, lightweight silicone, 29 grams. That is waterproof, sweat resistant, tear resistant, with long lasting comfort. Has a secure buckle system, utilizes a hidden metal alloy fastener and a one-click magnetic buckle to prevent slipping and allow for easy one-handed adjustment. So this buckle here, you have Bandletic on the back, and comes in like this, and then you just snap it in place right here, and then everything else falls in place. This band here is a two-tone perforated pattern. It improves airflow to the skin while incorporating a unique small square retro aesthetic. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's not going anywhere. Plus you have the security of not just your magnet, but this buckle right here. The sizing, it fits wrist circumferences ranging from 5.9 inches to 7.7 inches. Really nice band, very secure, very strong magnet. Really nice. So let's go ahead and check out the next band up. Here is the second band here. This one is the Bandletic Nylon band. And this one right here, when I had the Galaxy Watch Ultra, out of all the bands that I had, this one is the one that I used the most. This one is really, really nice. This band here has a Fidlock, if I'm saying that right, magnetic buckle. German engineered 316L stainless steel Fidlock V buckle for 1 second magnetic attachment with a secure mechanical lock. So this buckle here opens up, and you could see the design here, and when you go to put it back on, magnetic comes back in place, doesn't move. So let's go ahead and put this on the watch real quick. There you go. There it is. The 26mm band withstands up to 60 pounds of static force, ensuring it stays on during high intensity activities like racing or skiing. Made from breathable hypoallergenic nylon that is odor free, washable, and lightweight for all day comfort. And it also features a reinforced hook and loop fastener tested at over 2,000 uses for quick and easy adjustment. So basically, you use the hook and loop, set it to your wrist, and then once it's set to your wrist, you use the Fidlock to take off your watch. This stays in place, so you never have to use it. And that's how I use it. I mean, you can use it, but this is much easier. Comes right off this way, and all you do, it just pops in place. And there you go. You got a logo here, Bandletic Super Rugged Series, and you can see pulling on it, it does not come off at all. Comfortable, very easy to take off. There you go. Just awesome. And then get ready for work, and it just snaps right back on, just like that. So this hook and loop here, I don't even mess with this. I just use the magnetic Fidlock system here to take off this watch, and all day comfort, No issues with this one. Really, really nice band. These bands are from Bandletic. Really well made bands. These are my favorite bands that I use. They do have other styles, but this one and this one is what I use most common. But they do have other styles, with this one being, this is my top dog here. So if you're looking for watch bands for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, 40 millimeter and 44 millimeter, and your Watch 8 Classic 46 millimeter, check this company out. Really, really good bands.